You are welcome to this new episode. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to make 12,000 naira using my YouTube channel account, this particular YouTube channel account, plus my WhatsApp to make 12,000 naira in a single day. So let me show you the proof of what I made in crypto. I made that amount in crypto because currently in Nigeria, and someone sent me this money from Cameroon in crypto. So check out the screen right now. Let me show you. Here it is. This person chatted me from my YouTube channel, okay, concerning Google ads or something, and he said, I saw your video, I am from Cameroon, concerning Google ads. And we discussed about, okay, fine, how to solve his problem and how he can join my paid mentorship. And if you even check these screenshots which is sent below, confirms this to be very, very sweet and genuine. Is you can see this screenshot. During this time I had 119 subscribers, and he showed me that he is one of my subscribers. Now when you go down, we begin to discuss on how he can join the paid mentorship, how to get my paid mentorship from Cameroon. I'm going to see this message. He sent me $19 right from Cameroon. Are you get what I'm saying now? I think this should be July 19. Okay, so he messaged me on July 17 and he made payment on July 19, and you're going to see this. Look at the date. Submitted July 19, 5:47 p.m. $19. And when you go down below, you get what I'm saying now, then I sent him my own screenshot of how I received it. You can see it here. Everything was confirmed, and after doing this I sent him the solution here, and he was so happy to receive the solution of my paid mentorship, the guide, and he said, thanks a lot, I will bring people to you. Okay, I've watched it. You can see it right here. And you get what I'm saying. So let's go back to the wallet to see if that amount is actually there. So let me log into my Bitcoin wallet, and you're actually going to see this side. Let me click on the Bitcoin. Are you get what I'm saying now? Let me click on this month. Okay, I'm going to click on this month, and you're going to see July 19 received Bitcoin. When I click on it, you're going to see something like 19 July 2022 1834. You're going to see the value of the Bitcoin I received, 11,883 naira. Are you get what I'm saying now? But as for today, luckily for me, Bitcoin is rising, and you're going to see something like 13,693. Do you understand? In my accumulated balance, so which means the thing is even growing. Are you get what I'm saying? So let's go back into the video right now, and let me show you how I was able to do this. So how was I able to do this? I have a high income skill, digital marketing, advertising, created a YouTube channel, offer value, and also dropped my WhatsApp number on the screen and inside the description box below. And when I do this, people watch my video, and when they watch the video, when they find value and they have other questions they want to ask me, or they have other things to learn which they hope I'm going to teach them, they come right into my WhatsApp, and by so doing I am able to make deals, endorsements, or close sales for my premium membership. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Now this is very, very simple to do, irrespective of whatever kind of business you are doing. Just go and build a brand online. That is what they call building a brand. Okay, so this is just beyond you having a website. This is beyond you having a store online. This is beyond you just creating a physical shop. This is you building a brand online, by which without advertisement people can be able to come to that place. So you will just create a YouTube channel, begin to build value according to what your product or services is. Are you getting that? Is according to the niche. Build trust, give out free tips and all this kind of thing, and by so doing people will be able to enjoy it and also subscribe to your premium membership, or also buy your product or services. Get yourself a YouTube channel, start your YouTube channel today, offer value, build a brand online, and by so doing leave a kind of link by which people can be able to contact you or lead to your premium services or products, and boom, you'll be able to close the sale. You don't need to have 1,000 subscribers. You don't need to have 10,000 subscribers. You don't need 1 million subscribers to start earning from YouTube. You can start earning from YouTube right from the first month. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. I like you. I love you. See you on the next video. Thank you.